Thank you for choosing Smart Circle. Here's what you need to know before you unfold a new day with your Smart Circle S1. Before you take your S1 out for a spin, make sure you're always wearing a fitted helmet. And make sure you're wearing closed-toed shoes. Get familiar with your new S1 and practice riding in a safe, open space. We recommend having a friend spot you on your first few attempts. Don't worry, it's easy to catch on. Always stay aware of road conditions and make sure to slow down for bumps. And try to avoid all potholes. If the road gets really rough, walk your bike to smoother conditions. Do not attempt to ride your S1 up the curb. Our lightweight design makes picking up your S1 quick and easy. Make sure to follow all traffic laws and regulations when using a crosswalk. Walk your bike to ensure the safety of the people around you. If your S1 battery is low, it's always best to walk your bike downhill. Walking your bike down hills that feel a little too steep is recommended as well. Make sure to keep off busy streets and areas with heavy traffic, and always stay clear of highways and freeways. When present, always ride in the bicycle lane. If there's no bike lane present, ride on the pavement. When riding with friends, always form a single line behind one another. And make sure to be courteous when passing pedestrians by slowing down. Avoid riding your S1 on rainy days or on icy road conditions, as it could cause an injury. Make sure to always turn on your headlights at night. This ensures you can see the road and other vehicles, and pedestrians can see you too. Always make sure your nighttime lights are working by doing a headlight and brake light check. Ride safe and get ready to unfold a new day.